Have you ever had the dream of making $1 million with only a few hours of work each day? I think it's about to go. It's about to go. Okay, there it goes. There it goes. What if I told you you can make this dream a reality? Come join me on my journey to turn $1,000 into $1 million account with Enlightened Trading. Good afternoon, Enlightened Ones, and happy Monday. Today, if you were in the markets, you saw that it was a pretty easy day for those who trade the open like ourselves. For me, I took 5 trades, probably 1 or 2 too many, but I had the feeling that the market was moving lower, and we finally caught what we call a stack trade. It moved lower for a full 60 points. The only regret I have today is the fact that I could have probably captured more, at least another 20 to 30 points, if I would have moved my target a little bit lower, but that's kind of minor. Again, my goal is to capture 2, maybe 3 60-point moves in a week. So that's a fantastic start to the week, starting Monday off with a good 60-point move. So a total point move of roughly about 50-some points and a P&L of plus $98 on the day. So let's dive into the numbers and see what they look like. See here in the top, I took 5 trades. Total points I captured was 52 points, win rate of 40%, win-loss ratio of a very healthy 7.59%. Minimum drawdown, this is the number that I'm probably most proud of today, of only $22. I cut a few trades short pretty quickly. Commissions are minimal, and you can see there $98 P&L, which brings our R value for the week or for the day at 9.378%. We'll say 4R on the day, which is just, again, fantastic. The goal was to get 8R on a week, and we pretty much are halfway there, starting with the first day of the week. So our remaining days of this week are going to be focused on preservation of capital. So focusing on my focus of the day, focus was on process. Again, on Friday, I had a very ugly day, and today I just want to focus on process, which I did a lot better. Again, the market was pretty healthy, and it's the type of market I love because at the end of the day, when you get an early morning move, those are the type of moves I usually catch, and I usually catch majority of that move. As you can see here, took 5 trades. In the trade section, first trade was a break even, second trade was a minor gain, but that second trade was nothing. That was a kind of click, a worthless trade. Trade 3 was probably another worthless trade. It was a hammer, looking to potentially go long off that hammer and maybe retesting the highs of the range. But I had 2 VWAPs in front of me, so that was not an optimal setup, to say the least. Then the last 2 stack short. The one I give a B+, the other I give it a grade A. The B+ is only reason is because we were still in the same range we were from the previous bars when we started off the day. But it was a valid stack setup, which I got stopped out at break even. And then finally, the second stack setup is the one that really moved. I captured 60 points. I could easily capture 60, 70, 80, 90 points on there. I didn't move my target lower, which I probably should have. One thing that was pretty interesting is I just bring up the 15-minute chart here. Again, you can see the 15-minute opening bar, straight lower, 170-point move bar. And then since then, we've had lower and lower move. We're sitting right on the monthly VWAP, and you can see these different VWAPs. They're all on top of each other. This is a rarity. Doesn't happen often. That means we're probably going to have a big move coming quickly or shortly. Finally, I'm going to show you one stagnant picture. This is the morning range on the 40 range chart. And as you can see, as soon as we broke those lows, we did a fake breakout in the first minute bar and then rallied back. But as soon as we tried to move lower again, we finally broke on the third time, and we really went straight lower. We had a 5-bar move lower, and then that was followed by an 8 red bar move lower. So quickly, let's watch the morning open. And as you can see here, we started drifting lower. It was a fake breakout in the first minute. I tried to capture long in there. Tried to go long here. Hammer, got popped again. There's the first stack. Moved to break even, got popped. There's the second stack, and there it goes. It was free fall after we broke. And then we went right through those lows like they didn't even exist. All the way down to the monthly VWAP pretty easily. I hit my 60 points in a matter of, a minute? It's a crazy move. And then we just keep on drifting lower and lower. But I could have captured more of this move if I would have moved my stop with the idea that if we break the 8 EMA, I would have got a little bit more, or even focused on just the 20 EMA. would have probably captured 40 more points. But overall, great move overall. And that was it. I mean, once we had that move, the market has been flat since then. Get down to monthly VWAP, and now we're just sitting there. So I'm glad I caught that. That's it. Peace out. Happy Monday, y'all. Talk tomorrow. Bye.